Wolverinepool. Wolverine? What else would you call it? Wolverpool? No. Wolverine's pretty good. They released this image. Didn't make it into the final film, which is sad. But they would have had probably an overpowered character problem. Like imagine Wolverine, Deadpool next. So, portrait of him, landscape, page. Pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, start with the eyes. So, this is the only image I could find. I think it's the only one released. So, we're going to go straight with this. It's like shoulders 3/4. He's kind of turned slightly. 3/4 pose, right? So one side of his face is like a little bit smaller than the other, and shoulder slightly smaller than the other. But let's give it a go anyway. So center point to my page about here. We'll go up and start with the right eye. Standard eye shape. Curve it up and over. And then it goes back down. Around into there. Okay, so there's kind of an eyebrow shape above, right? And then I think this corresponds to a cheek area. And then they add some eyelid lines as well. Kinda like that. So I guess we gotta draw sort of at least the inside shape for this mask anyway first, right? Kind of like that, right? And the other side, just pretty close to it here. Okay, and then the other eye inside here. You're about eye width across, like if you're looking to line things up. So this eye width fits in between where both the eyes, like they're tear duct. So this space and this space is approximately the same. Okay, there's a bit of wiggle room, but approximate. All right. Not super frowny or anything. You know, normally these characters are like super frown, sort of. Look super aggressive. He kind of looks surprised, kind of. I can't believe I'm Wolverinepool. Eyelid lines just around the mask. Kind of reminds me of, what's that? Can't remember his name now. Oh, the one from Hell. Spawn. Yeah. Okay, so the mask then, right? So it kind of connects with this head on this side, goes around like that. I'm gonna do similar here, not exact same. Again, it's slightly bigger maybe on this side. So we'll do the wings on this side of his sort of head on this side. Right, and this goes all the way down and kind of kicks in. There's probably his, I think his jaw is here. So this goes up, then down to there. All details inside this, but I'll just get the other one. Like so. So there's kind of layers and levels and sort of 3D sort of lines going on, right? So say coming down here, this one runs down like that. And then there might be like another eyebrow sort of line there. And then extra lines on the mask. Right, and then coming down from here then again. Where does that go? Kind of goes in here, but then we get like an extra lip or something on the inside there. Kind of tricky now. Something else there. And then I guess there's like a brow line or something on that side of his cheekbones, his forehead and everything. And then there's like extra mask lines. Like that. And then chin and jaw. In here, and then we got those standard sort of Deadpool lines that come down from the corners of this. Okay, and then top of the head. There. And then like some sort of stitching lines and stuff on this. Textures and stuff on the mask. Okay, and of course black and red. Right, and they've done some cool detail on his suit as well. So let's say collar. Do collar first. It's kind of his neckline and his collar. So say neck, and then collar starts to comes across there, down like that. And we can see a little bit of it on this side. And there's lots of broken up sections now on this, right? no easy way of doing it, really. Just gotta bite the bullet. Go for it. Here we go. This way. And then joining sections in here, sort of a black collar here, and it's all shadowy in under here, so I'm just going to go with like neck muscles. So center line for his chest, right, it's kind of here, right, and he's got two straps that come down, like kind of curves out and in. Okay, just kind of curves that way. And then collarbones, or like there's these black lines that kind of join going this way. Like that, right? So one shoulder is bigger than the other. So this shoulder like comes out to here, like much bigger. And then this one's like there. So this one's about I'd say this one's nearly double the size of this one, right? Nearly. So we'll just bump this out. There's all stuff on his sort of costume and stuff here. He's got a big armor thing here. Right, it's like an arrow sort of pointing down. And then red shoulder. Just there, okay? And then, so this, right, probably like it's about this size, right? It's about half the size. So it kind of bumps itself. Right, like that kind of thing. And then just the red there, okay? So you see now, see that difference? Probably 3/4 the size, right? Not half, would bring it to about there. I'd say it's a bit bigger than 3/4. So then there's all detail in here. So like little silver bands on his neck. And then there's all armor plates of different shapes and sizes. So we'll just go for it now. Hit pause if I move too fast, because you're just kind of breaking up the space. It's not super crazy, or it's just different sort of shapes. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, that goes that way. Where does that go? Oh, there's an edge. Here, right. So you're trying to get this, both sides kind of the same. We'll add some texture to this as well. Yeah, and there's like armor lines on this shoulder. And then here as well. on these lines on this sort of Kevlar stuff. And right, I think that's the best I can do, guys. Wolverinepool. Wolverine. Hope it's helpful. Think of a name. Tell me what would the name of this going to be. Let me know. Hope it's helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.